am highly disappointed in all the daddy G.Os. Daddy Freeze blows hot air to all the Nigerian pastors and men of God. Anyways, guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If na the first time this way they stop for this channel, please just enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. So my people, let me could die for the matter of today. Una know that the freeze na yes, this man one that they see for on a screen like this. This man there, now one controversial kind of man of God, as in day as in they carry matter for head, like what is happening, as in how market it don't come out this time around for can't give am bomber to all the daddy G.Os wey una know, my people. It can't talk say Prophet TB Joshua a burial ceremony, he no see those daddy G.Os around, say wetin dey happen, as in where Christianity they take go, where Christdom and Christhood take day, my people. He can call out, he said they very disappointed, say no matter wetin, so long as the person don't die, this daddy G.Os suppose send their representative to him burial, my people. I see the matter say, but wetin dey happen? Indeed, if true Christianity take day waiting day, my people, I believe say this daddy G.Os suppose send representative, but as of course this one na my own thought. Make una write for comment section what una think about the matter. I go leave the video for you, make una watch am by una self, and when una finish, please no forget for subscribe, for turn on your post notification, so that whenever I upload a video you go know. And I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Prophet TB Joshua has been laid to rest. May his soul rest in peace. I worry with the turnout of Christians to this man's funeral. I worry. If we truly are Christians, every church should have sent a delegation. Somebody say, yes, Daddy Freeze, you two are a Daddy G.O. Why didn't you? My enemies always have a way of calling me what they want to call me in mockery. Daddy Freeze, you two are a Daddy G.O. now. Why didn't you go for TB Joshua's funeral? Why didn't you go? Why did I not attend? You see, you need to understand that there are people in my set. I no be TB Joshua na babao. TB Joshua na my papa's set. No be my set. Unless I was formally invited to such a thing. Do you understand? What I can do is send condolence. But I must say, I am disappointed. Whether you like to admit it or not, I am disappointed. Okay, those that at least Free Nation gave online condolence. Did we not share our online condolence? Did we not even dedicate a whole service to him? Whether we agreed with him 100% or we did not, Baba has moved on. We are all your Jews, all of them, plus the one that says is close to Christ and the one that is not, all of them are going to leave this earth. You can't leave this earth alive. So start thinking. You see, it might look like you have people by jugular. It might look like people are buying into your what is it called, your ideology and all that. One day you go meet your maker. How you go beef person so you know fit send card, you know if you put out for your social media. Meanwhile, when some people passed away from other camps, TB Joshua did farewell. TB Joshua did, what's that thing called? Wait till they call them condolence. I am disappointed in you all. You have not shown a legacy of love. You have not shown a legacy of None of you, I tried to monitor, so none of una feel wear una cloth, fly una private jet, go attend in funeral, you don't go. Let me tell you something. Christ did not agree with the Pharisees. It did not mean he didn't heal their children. It did not mean he didn't eat with them. Even the ones that he ate with and their mind was not pure to them, he still ate with them. Get here. If you ask me and you expect me to be honest, I am entirely, in all of my entirety, disappointed in all the big daddies that we have. You people are our daddies. If you people behave like this, how are us children going to behave? Tabanja biti kakuko. If we are fighting, no be on to say person me. Una don't turn gods of men, no. He offend you, so. It pain many. You see, let me tell you, you don't know what you've done. You do, especially our daddies. I'm not talking of the younger generation of pastors or pastors below 50. Or pastors 50 and below 55. I'm talking about the echelon. I'll be waiting at the column. Àwọn àgbàlagbà. Say you know they in a group no mean anything. You know mean. So chief imam, that means say chief imam anything happen to an only day or yo. Nah, I'm not with you on this one. And you see what you've done is you've let people see the insides of your hearts. That many of you are not Christians. You're just politicians. You're just doing this. It's sad. And you see, you have left a very bad legacy behind. The next generation is looking at you and is disappointed. Let me tell you, you just think people don't like TB Joshua. People like TB Joshua. People like TB Joshua. Someone said, Daddy Freeze, did you attend? I never big rich to attend TB Joshua funeral. I never big rich. And no big rich. TB Joshua and my papa mate. Make we tell ourselves truth. If the family had invited me, of course I would have attended. But they don't know me. I don't date their level. Igimujino, sorry, how did they take talk? They senior me. If I'd attended his church while he was alive once or gone to visit him once, it is different. He was 57. Okay, if TB Joshua was 57, me, I'm 45. Or I was 45 this year. So now 12 years, Baba take senior me. Baba senior me well. He senior me well. And not be just senior for age. TB Joshua had one of the biggest worldwide congregations. Free Nation just the land walk. God just give us mileage. God give us mileage. No mean say we don't know. Say we don't know. They say Agbaje ba wonika omo egbe ba beni to nse. Because Agbaje we nika no mean say be your papa mate. And whether we are attended or not, we gave our condolence. We have not seen their own, no. We have not seen their own, no. Everybody go pass away one day, oh. Una go pass, una pikin go pass, oh.